Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Gooey Gooey Butter Slimes. I am wanting the Zenna 10, and then Catherine's wanting
the Lazy Daisy.
Yeah. Okay. No, we got to open it at the same time.
Okay. Yay!
Okay.
My nail.
Your nail popped
Yeah, no, it didn't pop off, just for it.
Okay. Start here. Online content.
QR code.
Not the one that we got, I don't think. This is start here, scan for step-by-step guide, but I think we know what it is. Okay, so you don't get to really know what it is yet, but I think I may have gotten one.
Oh,
Wait.
Oh, I got one. Glitter. Oh wait,
I got the wild side one.
Hey, which one did I
It's the
get?
charm. It's the charm.
I can't tell which one I got.
Wait.
I got
You got the Lazy Daisy.
Wait, really? I can't tell. I got the Lazy Daisy. She got the one she wanted. I thought it was a different color though. It looks like a different color. Yeah, this is supposed to... Oh no, it's just packaging. I'm blind. Never mind. Yay.
There's steps. So step 1 is reveal. Yeah, this is cool. So basically, there's 2 parts, which I bet you could like fill this part with like liquid. There's also a seal, which so whenever you're storing it, it won't like get out.
Oh, okay.
Okay. There's one. Yes.
Ooh,
okay.
neat.
This is like mine is a purple.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, they smell good.
They smell really good.
Oh,
the texture.
it's amazing.
The texture. Oh my. Ugh, wait, it won't come out. It won't come out.
I like the texture. It's so. This is definitely a high quality slime. I've gotten slimes before, and usually they aren't like stretchy or like nice feeling. They usually feel very weird. But
Oh my
these
god,
feel-
I can't get it out.
Oh, yours
Oh,
smells
that
like
feels
yours
nice.
smells good. There's
What does
still a
yours
bit
smell
more.
like?
Yeah.
Oh, I love yours. Smells.
It's so much fun. I'm trying to get every single, not drop, because this is slime, not drops. Not liquid.
Why do I have to like open that part? Oh, did you get it all? Okay.
I think
My
so.
hero.
Oh my goodness, this feels amazing.
Alright, what's the second step? To mix in boosters.
So let me put this.
Oh yeah.
So it's like the second like color. It's like
yeah.
we gotta
Wanna
make
open
it
it
at
at
the
the
same
same
time. Go a second.
Wait.
Swirl.
Okay, our part's my part's purple. That is purple, and then
Almost
your
the
part's
same.
pink, and mine is pink.
So that's more of a coral.
Yeah. No one needs to know that.
Yeah, no one needs to
Basically
know.
the same,
Okay, yeah, so mine's like a light pink.
and mine's a lavender.
This one definitely feels a bit more clayish.
It does. I'm trying to struggling with this. Yeah, it does feel like it feels. Oh, mine doesn't feel like clay. It feels much softer than clay.
Yeah.
Oh, I like the smell.
Oh.
Ooh, okay. This is really cool.
I was like, I need a nice one.
I thought I broke it.
No. You didn't break it.
I know.
didn't break it.
I know that now.
Oh,
Oh,
wait,
I
let
got
me-
slime on.
Okay, I'm gonna roll this into it. Oh, look at the colors mixing. That's pretty.
That's nice. Oh, I finally got it out. Nice. I can get stuff out properly.
And like, it's not really like sticking. Wait, look. It's
Don't
not. It's
do
not
that.
as. It's not. Have y'all seen like the 95% like clay slime, so they like don't stick to anything? These feel like they're like 80%.
Dude, if you try that again, there is a chance you're gonna get a buzz
Yeah.
cut. Don't do that.
Reveal slime, then mix
I like
it.
your hair.
Color. Step 3 is the decorate. Clear and clear slime. Now,
How did you make it look good like that?
I don't really know. I don't know. Ooh, your charms are cute. Yeah, this is my charm, I think. Now, oh cute. It's a little fox charm. Now it's time to decorate them.
I want to make mine look good like yours.
Yours looks amazing.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
It's so good. Oh, I like your charms.
Yours.
Thank you. Alright. How did you wrap it up like that? Can you like try for me?
I can
I
try.
want mine to look good. I'm gonna watch you while you do it.
Like stretch it out. And you,
Oh.
except for, usually with like clear slimes, it works a bit better. So I'm just trying my best.
Okay. Hey, that looks great. 3.
Does it feel really like nice?
That sound of it opening is nice.
Yeah. Wait. Make sure that you go follow Catherine's new account. Oh, here's one of your terms.
Ooh,
Oh, they're little
pretty.
flowers.
Ooh, and a bow.
I need to collect the rest. We need to collect all of the slimes. No, I want to collect them all. Don't you?
Yeah.
Now step 4.
I've got a bunny, Micah.
And I've got a fox. Your bunny's so cute.
I know. I like your fox.
Thank you. Now, step 4. It says to reveal, but you can see. Oh, what does the fox?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking of.
Oh, this is my little charm. So cute. Wait, is it hiding deep in the woods or hiding?
Hiding in the woods.
Oh.
What is your sound? Oh man.
Oh, yours is so cute.
I'm sticking mine all in the front so they look good.
Yeah. Your slime looks the best. This is what I've got so
I love
far.
yours. It's great.
I love the texture. It's just soft, but it's still stretchy.
Ah! Wait, oh, there's that.
And there's
There.
2.
Give 2 more.
Yeah. I do recommend buying this. And they have like all the types. Except for sand slime. I love sand slime.
Ah! It fell. How rude.
Put down in the comments if you've ever made slime, and if you've made sand slime, let me know. I love sand
I've
slime.
never made slime.
You've never made any slime?
Never made any slime. No. Don't
Now,
decorate.
last step
Cute.
is to glitter.
And my nail.
Yeah.
Let me grab it. Oh, grabbed it.
You go first. No, you go first. No, you go first.
I know.
You can go. You go first.
Okay, fine. Actually, I don't want them to see the back. The back doesn't look as pretty.
Yours looks amazing in the back.
Oh yeah, we like put it at the top. Did mine even open? Yes, it did. Okay.
Oh my goodness, it's a lot of glitter.
Oh wait, this is cute.
Here. These are like different shapes, and they look like little diamonds and things like that.
So cute. Is there a 6th step? No. This is
Nope, this is the last step. So this is what I've got. This is my slime. Very glittery.
Alright. That's all for me. That's all, folks.
Yeah, so this
Thank
is
you.
this is my slime, and then
This is mine.
let us know in the comments who won. I think that you won.
No, I think the other one. Glitter kept falling off. No.
Wait, should we squish it?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Masterpiece. I heard like shh, like air.
Like. Okay, Catherine, what do you think?
Definitely 10 out of 10.
Yes, 10 out of 10. Would recommend. Definitely get it, and it's so fun.
It smells really good too.